Hi friends, now let us discuss a question which is related to the topic base of a number system from the chapter Number Systems and Codes of Digital Laws subject. This is an excellent question which is asked in GATE 2015 for CS branch. Now let us read the question. You can see the question on the board. Consider the equation 4(3) base x equal to y3 base 8. Where x and y are unknown. The number of possible solutions is dash. This is a numerically answered type question. Here he has given the equation 4(3) base x equal to y3 base 8. 4(3) base x equal to y3 base 8. Here this particular number belongs to a number system having base x. Here the base of the number system is 8. Okay. So now you can write the positional weights here, x power 0, x power 1. Here positional weights will be 8 power 0, 8 power 1. Now in order to get the equivalent value, multiply each digit with the respective positional weight and then add. Okay. So here we will get 4 into x plus 3 into x power 0 is 1 equal to 8 into y plus 3. Okay, here 3 will get cancelled. So you will get 4x equal to 8y. 4 2s are 8. So from this you will get x equal to 2y. So here we got one equation, that is x equal to 2y. Okay, here x and y are both are unknown. Okay, he is asking the number of possible solutions. Here if you observe in this equation, y is independent variable and x is dependent variable. Yes or no? You can assume any values for y. Okay, and substitute here, you will get the x values, right? So here I am making a tabular form. Okay, so you can consider y values and you can find out the corresponding x values. Okay, some people may get the answer as infinite because we can start the values of y ranging from 0 to infinity. Okay, and you will get the values x equal to 0 to infinity. But that is not the correct answer. Why? Here you are having the base of the number system is 8. Okay, here y is one of the digit corresponding to this number system, right? So that means these are the octal digits, right? So in octal number system, for a single digit we can represent the values ranging from 0 to 7, right? So we have to consider only 0 to 7 for y, only 8 values. So write down those 8 values, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 8 values. Okay, these are the 8 digits corresponding to octal number system. These are the octal digits. Okay, now you can substitute these values here, you will get the x values. Just multiply with 2, you will get the x values. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, so here since we are having 8 octal digits, 0 to 7, so we got the corresponding x values, right? So from here we will get 8 solutions, but that is not the correct answer. Why it is not correct? Let us see. See here, the base of the number system is x. Okay, in this particular number system, okay, you are having the digits 4 and 3. Okay, among these two digits, which is the maximum value? 4, right? So in any number system, okay, we will get the one relation for base. I am writing the formula for base here. Base, here he has given x. Base x should be greater than maximum value of a single digit plus 1. Base should always be greater than maximum value of a single digit plus 1. That means here maximum value is 4. substitute that value here. So from this we will get x value greater than 4 plus 1. That means x value should be greater than 5. Just like in decimal number system, you are having the values ranging from 0 to 9. Base of the number system is 10, right? So those values will be valid, those digits 0 to 9 will be valid in all the number systems which are having base value greater than or equal to 10, right? Similarly here, we are having these digits 4 and 3. Okay, from this the maximum value of a particular digit is 4, right? So here we have substituted that one. 4 plus 1 is 5. So x value should be greater than 5. Now you can see this tabular form. Only these 5 combinations will satisfy. What about these 3 combinations will not satisfy? Yes or no? Here x value is 0, 2, 4. These are less than 5. These are not satisfying this particular condition. X is greater than 5. Only these 5 values are satisfying this relation, right? So that means the number of possible solutions is 5. Okay, in this way we have to calculate or find out the number of possible solutions for any type of question. See, for all these type of questions, this is the inherent formula. Okay, you have to use this particular formula in order to get this particular relation. For all these type of questions, this kind of relation will be there inherently. He never mentioned in the question anywhere. Okay, we have to use this particular formula in order to get this particular relation. Then only we will get the valid answer. Okay, see here, theoretically you may get 8 solutions, but practically we cannot represent. See here, if you consider x value 0, you cannot represent like this, right? Similarly, x value 2, you cannot represent like this, because here you are having the digit values more than the base. That is not possible. Similarly here also, right? So that's why in order to get the valid answer, we have to use this particular formula. This is the most important formula. Okay, so you can solve this kind of questions by using this formula, right? The answer for this question is 5. The number of possible solutions for this question is 5. Thank you and keep watching.